Hi, I'm Amber Westies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you some of Union's resources that you can use while you research. When you begin researching for an assignment in a specific discipline, the library is a great place to go. We have several services and resources to help you with your research. One of these services is research guides. Research guides include helpful links and resources for finding articles, books, websites, information about citation, as well as other research tips. You will also find guides to help you in your research, including information about citations, using RefWorks, research assistance, and using Zoom for research coach appointments. To access our research guides, visit our library website, uu.edu/library. Clicking the Research Guides quick link will bring you to the list of research guides. All of our guides are listed alphabetically. To access a guide, simply scroll until you find your discipline and click on it. You will be brought to the research guide, which includes tabs for finding articles, finding books, additional resources, and useful websites. To find an article, click the Finding Articles tab. Here you will find a list of databases for your specific subject area, as well as a list of databases for general research. If you are off campus, you will be prompted to log in using your Union email address and password. Union databases are for use of the Union community to include students, faculty, and staff. To find books in the library on your subject, click the Finding Books tab. You will see a search box in the middle of the page that allows you to search the library catalog. You will also find a list of our ebooks collection. Lastly, you will see a graphic that allows you to know where in the library you will find specific subject areas. We also have a service called Interlibrary Loan that allows you to request materials from other libraries when Union does not have that material. Use the Interlibrary Loan request form quick link to make a request. To get more information about Interlibrary Loan, view our Interlibrary Loan tutorial. The link is below in the comments. Lastly, if you're needing additional help with your research, please schedule a research coach appointment. A research coach or librarian will meet with you individually and can help you with finding articles and resources, showing you additional searching techniques, answering your citation questions, as well as other general research questions. To schedule an appointment, click the Research Coach quick link. Then use the Make an Appointment box. You will be prompted to choose a research coach, a date, and a time that works best for you. After you've submitted your request, you will receive a confirmation email. Your librarian will receive one as well. They will meet with you face-to-face in the Jackson campus, over Zoom at any campus, or over the phone. If you have questions and need help with research, a research coach is a great place to start. You can also get help at the circulation desk in the library.